January the 13th, 2016. 9:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. John 13:19. Now I tell you before it come, that when it is come to pass, ye may believe that I am he.
The Lord is revealing that the region of Japan will be hit by a major earthquake. Yes, it is coming. Yes, it is wise for all to seek the Lord, to repent and seek the Lord. The region of Japan will be hit by a major earthquake shortly. It is sure to happen.
January the 14th, 2016. 1 hour after the prophecy, a massive 6.9 magnitude earthquake struck Japan near the Hokkaido region.